Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern liquify lines effect background in Adobe Illustrator. Use ellipse tool to draw a circle shape. Stroke weight 14 point. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Increase circle size. Go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify step 25. Again, go to object menu and blend and make. Select shape and double click on scale tool to increase size of the shapes. Uniform 125%. Circle size of the center. Width 50 pixel and height 50 pixel. Outer circle size. Width 1258 pixel and height 1258 pixel. Go to object menu and expand. Select object and fill and stroke. Go to object menu and path and outline stroke. Again go to object menu and envelope distort and make with mesh. Alt Ctrl M. Row 6 and column 6. You can use to select anchor points with the direct selection tool shortcut A to make liquify lines effect. You can use these steps to make modern cover design or wavy pattern. Select shape and go to object menu and expand. Select object and fill. Fill color R0, G25, B100. Draw a horizontal box shape. Select shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Finally, your modern liquify lines effect background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create modern liquify effect background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.